Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan. And in today's video, we will be talking about how to use Whiteboard in Google Meet in your laptop. Before diving to the today's topic, guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan yet, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. So now let's start the today's topic. So you need to go to the here meet.google.com. After that, you can see there is a new meeting, so click in new meeting. For right now I want to go for this instant meeting, so I'm starting an instant meeting over here. You can see that my meeting is started. Now yes, I'm joining my meeting. I'm clicking in join now. So yes, I have already joined my meeting. I started my meeting. So you can copy this link and you can share it to the student or invite other participants. So let's cancel this one for right now. And yes, this is the audio on and off, and this one is to leave the meeting, and this one is to on and off your camera. This is all, or this is on turn on caption to present. You need to click here, and yes, nearby that present now you can see there is a three dot. So when you click in three dots, you can see at the top, you can see there is open a jam or a whiteboard. So you can even start a new whiteboard from here, or you can even choose from your drive. Right now let's choose from a drive. I'm going to choose from my drive, so let's click on drive. Now you can see it is opening there. You can see my drive, and let's see the recent side ones. In recent, I am just choosing one over here. You can see that my whiteboard is opening. Let's wait. Now yes, my whiteboard is already open here on the screen. So now you can see on the side there is a pen, there's eraser. Next you can select from here. Next there you can even use your sticky note. You can even add the image from here. You can even take one circle from here, and next one is the text box, and the next one is the laser light to show your student. Now yes, when you choose the pen, yes, you can choose one of the pen, a highlighter or marker or simple pen or your brush. Yes, even you can go for the different color over here. So I want to go for black right now, and I want to go for the marker. After that, yes, you can see that I can type over here, I can write over here. Yes, so if you want to rob this one, then if you just want to rob this eraser one, then just take eraser, and yes, you can even erase this thing from here. Similarly, if you want, yeah, this is all about the arrow to show the thing. So if you want to go for the next with the sticky one, you can click in the sticky notes. When you click in the sticky notes, you can say right here what you want to write. Let's say hello students. So, and even you can change the color of your sticky notes, and you can just click and save it. Yes, and similarly you can even add the image from here. Click the add image from here, and yes, simply you can even add image over here. Either you can go from your upload from your computer, or from, you can even go for the Google search, you can even go for the drive, or even from the Google Photos. So it has various things you can do with. Similarly, there's a circle over here, so when you go with the circle, you can just select here and arrange one circle over here. So it's also the really interesting one. And yes, if you want to insert a text over here, so you can click a text over here, and you can write here circle. You can type over there. Yes, you can see here I type, sorry for the spelling, circle. Yes, you can even insert the text. If you want to use a laser, yes, you can even use the laser. Yes, here you can even use the laser. This is the circle. Yes, After that, even if you want to change the background, then you can change accordingly. You can use this one, or even you can use this kind. Yes, if to like a page one, you can even use this one here. You can use, there are lots of things you can use, and you can just go with him. Similarly, the next thing is you can even zoom out. It's up to you. So even if you want to clear the frame, then you can just clear it from here. So this is how, guys, you can use the whiteboard in Google Meet in your laptop. I hope this video is useful for you guys. If you love my video, then don't forget to give me thumbs up, and don't forget to share my video. Thank you everyone. See you in next video. Bye bye.